Hi everyone, welcome back. Thanks for watching. We got a 1968 Shelby GT500KR here, and it's absolutely stunning. Finished in Raven Black, factory 4-speed. Just went through a cosmetic restoration. This car is absolutely beautiful. Car is extremely straight. Got the E7015 white letter Goodyears on it. Lucas fog lights. Let's pop the hood here. We already got the hood pins undone. .428 Cobra Jet. It's got Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake. Have the complete original drivetrain. Have the original heads, intake, everything, exhaust manifolds. Car's currently running headers. Got the very rare C80F AA carburetor. Original numbers matching transmissions in the car. Fully rebuilt. Brand new clutch, pressure plate, everything. Car number is 3919. The engine bay also just went through a restoration. It's got the original Barnum Brothers horsehair fan shroud. I have the original radiator for the car. It's not in the car right now, but I have it. And it's actually in good shape. Original steering wheel, door sill plates. The car was restored before. It went to California. Spent most of its life in California. I have some restoration pictures from when it was out there. So that mileage is probably since the restoration. 140 mile per hour speedometer, 8K tack with the red line. Original Philco radio. It's got the original Stewart Warner gauges. 4-speed. The car is a factory 4-speed. Owner's manual. There's your tire pressure recommendation sticker. Owner's warranty card. Car has all original seat belts. Original console in good shape. Fold down rear seat. Original seat belts in the rear. All the interior is in really nice shape. It's got your shoulder harnesses and a roll bar. Headliner is in great shape. Pop the trunk. Trunk area is very clean. Nice clean trunk jams. Got your Shelby rubber bumpers in the corners. Old Goodyear polyglass spare. There's a lot of documentation about the car, previous registrations, ownership, Elite Marty report, which I'll have pictures of. Just a very nice, clean car. Trunk lid shuts excellent. The paint is just as beautiful in person as it is in this video, which for black says a lot. These Goodyears are brand new. Got the original hubcaps, original Kelsey Hayes steel wheels underneath those hubcaps. Original distributors in the car. All right, well, let's get the hood closed, take it for a drive. All right, we're here in the 68KR. Let's get it fired up. Starts right up. Alright, so the engine that's in this car is a little hotter than factory. Got a bigger cam in it. Sounds really nice. Runs really strong. Brake real quick. Let's give it a little rev. Sounds awesome. It's run, like I said, it's running headers. It's got Flowmaster exhaust. It's got an X pipe on it. So they put a little bit of their own little flavor on a couple things. But like I said, I've got all the stock parts, original exhaust manifolds, everything. Basically, it's the complete other engine on the stand. This car runs hard and it's ready to go. The bottom side has been fully done, detailed. Got a lot of pictures of that. Alright, so now we'll do a little driving. Alright, we're in the 68KR. Start out first gear here. Third. Fourth. Shifter, entire transmission's fully rebuilt. Shifter's fully rebuilt. Brand new clutch, sponge pedal feels great. Shifter's super smooth. Power steering works great. Drop it on with one hand. Alright, we're going to downshift to third. Downshift to second. Downshift to first. Hit the blinker. Car just idles nice when you come to a stop. Blinkers work.